5 Remarkable Advantages of Marble Steps. Marble steps add value to your home. Marble is viewed as a luxury building material, so anytime you use it in your home you are automatically adding monetary value as well as aesthetic appeal. Unlike porcelain steps, marble steps increase the resale value of your home. This is not to say that marble steps are always more expensive to purchase though. A lot of man-made stone look-alike products now have very similar costs to marble or can even cost more. They are durable. Unlike other materials used for steps, marble is sturdy and durable. Once chipped, porcelain steps are harder to fix than a marble step that is broken because you must replace the entire porcelain step instead of just spot treating the damage. In fact, natural stone is one of the hardest elements on the planet, especially a granite step. They add an element of art and elegance. Marble is unique by nature, which is one of the many reasons homeowners enjoy having it in their homes and have for decades. No two marble steps are alike, making them unique to you. Other materials, like porcelain or ceramics, only have a few different variations. If you were to settle for a man-made product, chances are a lot of other homeowners would have the exact same steps as you do. This metamorphic rock has undergone intense pressure for hundreds of years, which creates random patterns or veining structures. Stone steps are easy to clean. Once you place a sealer on your marble steps, they are bulletproof for years. The benefit of sealing your marble steps is that this will prevent staining from accidental spills. After sealing, your marble steps will simply require routine mopping, like any other material you would use. Marble steps are allergen-free. A material like carpet on your staircase can harbor dust and allergens. You can use a mop detergent that kills bacteria with marble steps, or even porcelain steps, which is great for people with allergies or pets that shed. Also, marble is naturally hypoallergenic, meaning it is less likely to cause an allergic reaction. Although many different people have various types of allergies, marble is a safe material to use in a household in terms of allergens. There is a variety of choices you can make when picking steps for your home, and it is best to make an informed decision. Get advice from friends, family, the internet, and experts in the industry. Just remember that at the end of the day, you will be the one living in your home. It is best to pick a material that best suits your purpose, and you feel most comfortable with. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.